guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, you're heartily welcome, and please do consider clicking on that red and blue subscribe button to get yourself subscribed to this channel. Also turn on your notification bell so you can get notified whenever I upload a new video. On this channel, I upload contents on how you can naturally reduce most of your health issues, benefits of so many natural things, DIYs, and so many more. So if you're interested in this kind of content, videos, topics, please do continue watching this channel, okay? Today, loves, I'm here to share with you something that has incredible benefits, and that is what? Onion water. See, for some time now, I've been taking onion water, and I'm so excited to share with you the benefits that this onion water offers. Okay, are you ready? Now let's jump right into it. The first benefit you are going to get from taking onion water is the fact that onion water contains big nutrients, something that they will always tell you to take as medicine. You will get it just by taking something natural like onion water. Now, onion water contains nutrients like vitamin C, vitamin B, and you know how important these two vitamins are, vitamin C and vitamin B. And not just that, it has mineral like potassium. So if you start taking onion water daily, if you start incorporating it into your daily routine, you are going to improve your overall health. Are you not excited? Not yet? Don't worry. Let's go to number 2. Number 2 is that it helps you with digestive system. It betters your digestive system, your digestion. Now, onion water stimulates your digestive system, giving you a better digestion. So if you have something like indigestion, or you are struggling with something like bloating, all you have to do is take onion water. Check it out, and that is it. Oh, bye-bye to indigestion, bye-bye to bloating. That is the second benefit we get from taking onion water, okay? Now, the third one is that onion water helps you with weight management. You know, you take different things, whether the one that is approved or the one that you researched about, so just because that someone is promoting it and you have been taking it, maybe it has not been working for you. Why not try onion water? See what onion water is going to do for you. It's going to make you feel fuller for a longer period of time. Onion water also contains 0 to none amounts of calories, okay? So if you are taking onion water, you are going to find yourself shedding weight, just like that. Now, the next one is that onion water helps you to boost your immune system. Remember I said that onion water contains vitamin C, right? So this particular nutrient is going to help fight common cold, fight illnesses, and just make you have that better or well-functioning immune system, okay? Now, the next one is that onion water is a natural detoxifier. It helps you detoxify your system naturally, flushing out toxins, flushing out dirt from your system. So it's going to help you with a better kidney and a better liver function, you see? So if you want something that will flush out your system, you just feel that something is wrong with your system or your poo is smelling too bad, it is a call to drink onion water, okay? All right, guys, I've come to the end of today's video, but before I end this video, let me quickly show you how to make this onion water, because it's kind of bad to end this video without showing you how to make this magnificent onion water. All right, join me in the kitchen as I show you how to make this onion water, okay? Hello guys, welcome to my kitchen. Making onion water is actually quite easy. All you need to do is to get 2 small to medium-sized onions and peel the outer layer. Then we are going to give it a quick rinse in the water, and we move over to the next step, which is to slice the onions. The finer, the better, because it allows the nutrients to infuse faster in the water. Now we are going to grab a glass container or a glass cup, and we are going to pour all these sliced onions into the glass container, okay? After putting them or adding the onions in this glass container or the glass cup, we are going to be adding water, clean water into it. Make sure that the water completely covers the sliced onions, okay? And you cover tightly. Allow this mixture to infuse for at least 30 minutes, and then you can take a glass 3 times daily. You can store for 24 to 48 hours. And you can also get creative by adding 3 to 4 slices of lemon or a teaspoon of honey for better taste. Alright guys, even though that onion water does not have the most appetizing taste, just know that it is the powerhouse of many health benefits. So incorporating it into your daily routine is going to help you better your overall health. Okay, so guys, if you loved this video anyhow, anywhere, at any point, please give me thumbs up. Remember to share my videos with your friends, your family members, and your loved ones. Do share my videos with everyone and to everywhere shareable. Until next time, see you. Remember, be safe, be healthy, and be happy. Bye-bye.